Okay, so we have Chiba, the dog. Yes. And we have a club cracker and a Ritz cracker. We're going to see once and for all which is the better cracker, because Chiba is going to decide which is the better cracker, folks. All right? So, Cheeps, come.
Oh! Look what's gone! Look what's gone! Look what's gone! Finish! Turn the video on. Thank you.
Okay, that wasn't a true scientific test, but Dave sure is happy about it. We're going to do it again.
Why, Dave?
Because that wasn't a true scientific test. That was Chiba just grabbing it out of my hand.
Grab the one you wanted.
She is going, I'm going to set them an even space apart, and she's going to go for the cracker that she wants the most. Okay, so we'll try again.